Hello everybody, how are you? Today I want to show you an important information, and it's according to the how can you find the workshop for 7th grade. Okay, how can you find? First, you write here www.conaldi.edu.co. Okay, and then you click. When you are here in the website, what do you have to do? You get in this part, diseño curricular. Okay, you go in this part, activities, May 26th. Activities, May 26th. Not the first one because it was before. It's this. Okay, you click here. Ready? When you click in this part, you find primary, 7th grade, 6th grade, and 7th grade here. Is the second, okay? The second. Uh, the workshop number 2 for 7th grade. Can you find here? Click. Okay. You here, you find the workshop for English and Spanish and physical education and informatic. Yeah. Now, what is the idea? You have to read, complete the information, please. Read everything. Before you start doing the activity, you have to read. Uh, what are the skills that you have to develop? Okay, comprende la importancia de los medios de comunicación masiva para su buen uso. Okay, and everything. And the motivation is because we want that you start reading and writing, yes, because porque el periodista eres tú, okay? The reporter, you are the reporter. Please, I tell you again, read complete the information because here you can find the explanation for everything. Yes, what is, qué es el reportaje, okay, the characteristic. This part is specific for English, la historieta, okay? What is, what do you have to do to make an story? The specific topics that you have to use when you want to write a story, okay? This is all for today because in the next video I'm going to show you another part, the how to develop the activity. But now you find it and now you have to read. Have a nice time. It's a pleasure for me to help you. If you need to another explanation, please call me, send me an email or text messages. Thank you. Have a nice time.